How to make a circle design in a t-shirt in Illustrator. Select the Type tool shortcut, T to add text. Click on the artboard, type your text, and adjust the font, size, and color. Arrange your circle, text, and other elements as you like. Now we'll write our text inside the circle, align it, and fit the logo in the middle so our design is ready. To align elements precisely, select the objects, open the Align panel window Align, and use the alignment options. Select all the elements of your design. Right-click and choose Group from the context menu or press Ctrl+G, Windows or Command+G Mac to group them together. This makes it easier to move and resize the entire design. When your design is ready, export it for printing on the t-shirt. Go to File, Export, Export as, and choose the appropriate format JPEG, N, etc.